Hey guys, so I am back with another video, and today is going to be a makeup look on this look here. It's kind of similar to some looks that I've done before, but it's not as dark of a smoky eye as I usually do. Sorry about my voice, I am a little sick, or getting sick. I actually pulled out an oldie but goodie. It's this MAC, I think it's Old Gold Pigment, and I use it in my inner corner, which I love. I don't know how, but for my lip, I actually lost the clip of the lip that I used, so I'm going to tell you guys now before the video starts. I used the Coloupop Ellarie liner, and then I used the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. It's one of their new liquid lipsticks in Pioneer, which I love. The staying power on these are the bomb. I love these. I have two of these now. I have this one and I think the brown one. I don't know the name of it, but I really love this red, especially with this liner. It looks super nice. I'm gonna go pick up a few other colors in this as well once I get a chance and a little extra money. But this is the look that I'm going to be doing today. I don't know what I want to call it yet. Obviously, you would tell by the title what I ended up calling it. I'm not sure what I want to call it yet, but it looks super pretty, super nice. I'm actually going to see Black Panther tonight, but this is what I'm wearing tonight. I got this necklace. My mom brought it back for me when she went to St. Croix one year, I believe. And then these earrings are from my usual girl, the earring lady. I've had these for years. I think I wore these when I did my maternity shoot, and I've worn these before. You guys have seen this before. I'm pretty almost 80% sure that you guys have seen it, but I know you guys are gonna ask me those questions. My hair, it's a really old braid out that I converted into some 4 large twists while I did my makeup, and then not a braid out, but I had my hair in these 4 chunky braids, and then I combed it out, and then I 2-strand twisted it with some oil just to re-moisturize my hair, and then I took them out and combed it out, and this is what it looks like. Which I'm loving today because I wanted to wear my hair out even though it's raining, which kind of sucks, but whatever. So I just wanted to come through and do this intro for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys are excited that I'm back to making videos. I am excited. I am still settling in to my new apartment, so things have been a little crazy, but I'm trying to get back on track and back on schedule and things like that. I will have all the products that I used down in the description box or on my website. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but nonetheless, I will have them somewhere if you guys want to check out any of the things that I used throughout the video. Some of the products you guys are familiar with. My foundation routine is usually pretty much the same. And I think that's it. I think I've done enough rambling. It's just that I haven't been on camera in a long time, so I feel like my intros are super duper long. So I think I need to come on here and do an update video just to get it all out. That's so I don't have my intro so long, so I'm sorry if you guys
are like, girl, get to the makeup look.
But I'm gonna get to the makeup look. So if you guys want to see how to get this makeup look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below who's your favorite character from Black Panther. Comment down below. So first I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match Concealer. I believe this is in medium deep, and I'm just applying that to my eyelids just to cover up any discoloration. I don't plan on applying much eyeshadow, but I am going to be applying some, and I'm just going to go in and set that with my Black Opal Finishing Powder in medium. Next, I'm going to go in with the Chocolate Soleil Bronzer from Too Faced. I miss this. When has been the last time I've used this? I love it. Now I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Smoked palette, and I'm taking that brown shade, I believe it's called Whiskey, and I'm just going to apply that right underneath that transition color. And then I'm going to go in with the black from that Smoky palette by Urban Decay. I forgot the name of it, but I believe it's the only matte black in the palette. But I'm just using that one, and I'm not using a very densely packed brush because I didn't want it really packed. I just wanted a light dusting of black. And then I'm going to go in with the highlight shade from that same palette, and I'm just going to apply that to my brow bone. Next, I'm going to go in with my current favorite liner. This one is from NYX. This is their matte lip liner, and I really like this liner. It's so easy to use. Next, I'm going to go in with my orange corrector. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the only orange corrector that I have and that I have been using. I think it's a little bit too orange, but it could just be me. But if you guys know one that's maybe not as pigmented or a way to kind of thin it out so it's not that pigmented, let me know. I do like it though. It's super nice. Super like thick and pigmented, which is good, but I don't know. I just be feeling like an Oompa Loompa. And it's not like I feel like an Oompa Loompa once I'm done with my makeup. It's just like at this particular point of me applying my makeup, I'm just like, ooh, that's orange. But it doesn't show through my foundation, obviously, so it just really helps cover up any discoloration, helps brighten out my under eye area, things like that. I did kind of go onto my lips because I wanted my lips to be all one shade and not like tinted, with that little dark kind of line on top. And then I'm going to go in and set that. I'm going to go in, I don't know the powder. Actually, I do know the powder, but I'm not going to say it because I'm not here for them right now. But I'm going to go in with that translucent powder just to set that orange into place so that when I apply my foundation, this does not move. Now I'm going in with my Clinique foundation. I believe I used the shades Clove and Amber. I should have used more of the Amber than the Clove, but it ended up working out once I applied all of my highlighters and things like that. But you normally go in with the Amber and the Clove, but I just couldn't remember because I haven't used this foundation in a while. So now I'm going in with that same foundation, but I'm going in with the shade Golden, and I'm just applying that as my highlight. I wanted my face to be super beat because I was going to see Black Panther and I wanted to look like a African goddess, like, I don't know. So I wanted my face to be super flawless, so I went in with the full highlight that I don't normally do. I normally just do and then I'm going to go in and set that with my usual Black Opal finishing powder in medium. I promise I'll get some new products this year, guys, but I'm just, when it comes to my makeup, I just like what I like, you know? Now I'm going to go in and contour, which I don't usually do. I'm going to do my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead. But again, like I said, I was kind of being over dramatic, you know, and I wanted it to be a little extra. So I did go in and contour in areas that I don't use. Like, I don't usually contour my nose, but I was just being extra. And all the brushes that I'm using are from Royal and Lanicole, my favorite synthetic brushes right now. And then I'm going to go in and apply Old Gold from MAC into my inner tear duct because I just liked how that looked and I haven't used this pigment in a long while. I did apply my bottom liner off camera because one, the camera cut off and this liner isn't available anymore, so it doesn't really matter. Now I'm going to go in with my mascara. This is the Boots number 7. And that is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy. I am so happy to be back doing makeup tutorials because I love doing them. Yes, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I will have all the products either down in the description box or linked to my website with the list of the products. And I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and check out my previous videos